Want to improve your English vocabulary? These 5 books can help. First up, 1984 by George Orwell. It's packed with advanced vocabulary like totalitarianism and surveillance. A must-read. Sapiens by Yuval Noah Harari is next. You'll learn unique words like cognitive and anthropology. Perfect for nonfiction fans. Next, The Great Gatsby. A classic that'll teach you words like supercilious and subterfuge. It's a vocabulary treasure trove. Don't forget To Kill a Mockingbird. Learn important words like benevolence and assuage while enjoying a powerful story. Finally, The Alchemist by Paulo Coelho. Discover new words like omen and alchemy as you follow an inspiring journey. Reading these will supercharge your vocabulary. So, which one will you start with? Comment below. Like this video for more vocabulary tips and don't forget to subscribe.